Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I will show you the currency of Tajikistan. It is a beautiful country in Asia and the currency is called Somani. And before Somani, its currency was ruble. It is a beautiful 1 dirham which is very small in size, and it was the issue of 19 and 99, and the front side represents the parliament house of country, and the back side represents the beautiful mountain and hills, which represent the beautiful environment condition of Tajikistan. It is a beautiful 1 ruble. It was the issue of 1994, and front side represents the parliament house and also the country flag on the top, and the another side represent the logo of 1 ruble. It is a beautiful 1 Somani. It was the issue of 19 and 99. It is the first issue, and the front side represents the king of the Tajikistan, and another side represents the parliament house and the flag on the right side of this note. It was the first issue of Somani. It is a beautiful 3 Somani. It was the issue of 2010. It is a very beautiful note. Front side represents the king of Tajikistan, and another side also represents the parliament house and the flag of Tajikistan. It is a 5 dirham. It was the issue of 19 and 99. It is a very old issue, and front side represents also the parliament house, and another side represents a very structural view of this country. It is a beautiful 5 ruble. It was the issue of 19 and 94. The front side represents also the parliament house and the flag of this country, and another side represents the ruble and mention the bank of the Tajikistan. It is a beautiful 10 ruble. It was also the issue of 19 and 94. Also, the front side represents the parliament and the flag of this country. And finally, I have a 20 ruble. It is the last ruble I have. It is also the issue of 19 and 94, which represents the parliament and the beautiful flag of Tajikistan. And after ruble, the country introduced with the currency called Somani. It was the first issue of Somani, which was the issue of 19 and 99. The front side represents the king of the Tajikistan, and another side represents the empire gate of this country, which represents the beautiful kingdom and empire of this country. It is a beautiful 20 Somani, which is very old and the first issue.